In this video, I'm going to be revealing why most affiliate marketers fail. Okay. So if you are maybe getting started, you are not getting the results that you want, or you are just wondering why there are so many people who have a huge success and somehow they just disappear after a few years, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about a topic that most people don't tell, and it is why most affiliate marketers are gone. Chances are that maybe 90% of them are gone because of this. And I really don't want you guys to fail. If you're watching this video, if you are following me, I really want to share with you everything based on my experience, everything based on what I have learned during the last 6 years that I have been doing this. So let me share with you here my screen. And we are going to be talking about this topic, why most affiliate marketers fail. Okay, so you need to understand, first of all, that affiliate marketing is a business model. Okay, this is a business model in which literally what we're doing, we're recommending other people products and services. On a nutshell, here we have someone who created product. It can be a physical product. It can be a digital product. Here we have someone who is looking to solve a problem. Maybe they don't know the solution yet. And here you are. Okay. So you're telling them like, hey, you have this problem. Here's this solution. Use this special link so you can purchase it. And if they purchase, you are going to be earning a commission. But because this is so simple, most people don't understand that this is a business. This is a real business, and you need to treat this as a business. So with that said, you need to understand that you need to play the long-term game. Okay? You need to understand that you need to play the long-term game, and there is some kind of mentality that you need to have. It is actually really important to have the right mindset. But once you understand the first thing that this is a business, you need to treat this as a business and you're going to get good results. But if you treat this as a hobby, you're going to get those kind of results. Things change. Okay. Your perspective change because now you're way more serious. Like if you make $150,000 investment, $100,000 investment to have an offline business, I'm pretty sure that if you invest that, you're going to do whatever it takes to make it happen. Okay. There will be no excuses because you understand that that's actually extremely important. So first things first, you need to understand that you need to have what we call evergreen content. Okay. When I started, TikTok was not around. Instagram Reels were not around. Facebook Reels was not a thing. And YouTube Shorts, well, YouTube was here, but it wasn't a thing. So right now, it is really easy and really simple to drive traffic. I mean, getting eyeballs from people who are interested in what you have to offer, because literally you can create a 7-second video. You don't need to talk. You don't even need to be in front of the camera and you're going to get traffic right away. But you need to understand that you don't own the social networks. You don't own your Instagram account. You don't own your Facebook account. You don't own Facebook groups. You don't own even a YouTube channel. Okay. You need to understand that you don't own that. Okay. And what most people are doing is that they are building their business because they don't understand that this is actually business like this. They have a TikTok account. Chances are they have an Instagram account, a YouTube video, and so on. And they're sending people right away to the product page, waiting for people to make the purchase right away, playing with the hit and miss strategy because they don't understand that this is a business and you need to treat this as a business. And as a business, you need to have leads and you need to own the customer. Okay, you need to have leads and you need to own the customer. But most importantly, you need to have evergreen content. By evergreen content, you can create it on YouTube. You can also be creating on blogging. So that means that people are going to be searching for the information. I know and I understand that it's way harder to create an 8-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute YouTube video. But first of all, people are more qualified because they are actively looking for the solution. And it's evergreen. So that means that the content is not going to grow and then going to die. The content is going to be there. Okay. And people are actively looking for it. The other thing that you need to understand is that people are not building their email list. As I show you here, people are sending the traffic right away to the product page. So they are not owning the customers, they're not owning the list. So what you need to do is you need to go and create a system. People don't have a system. This is simple. Literally, if you're doing affiliate marketing, this is a two-page system. Here you have the capture page. Here you have a bridge page. Okay, this can be a video. This can be some text in which you are introducing the solution. Okay, and here you're going to have the product page, which is not yours. With this system in place, you're going to be owning leads. Okay, they're supposed to be in an envelope. Okay, and you're going to be sending them to this offer. But not only this, you are going to be sending them to other offers as well. Okay, you're going to be sending them to others offers as well. So if something happened, and I have seen this a lot of times, if you lose a social network, you know what, your presence on a social network, you are not going to start from scratch. You already have your email list, so you can be in touch with them. You can talk to them. You can let them know, like, hey, I'm still here. I'm just having this situation. This is going to be my newest social network. And this is how you guys are going to really make money while you sleep. Okay. And I already start talking about the next point, which is people just rely on just one product. Okay. This is trickier because you need to have a core product. Okay. This is your core product. Okay. I'm going to write it here, core. Okay. I'm going to put here core P. Okay. This is going to be your core product. So you are going to be telling people about this product, but you're also going to have back-end products. These can be low ticket products, high ticket products, products in which you're going to get a monthly recurring income. Okay. And you need to understand that because this is a business, you can promote different products as long as they're on the same niche. People are looking for products and services because they're looking for a solution. Okay. People are looking for a solution. So you need to have multiple solutions, but things that actually make sense to what you were talking on your social presence. Because I'm not telling you that you need to stop creating short form content. I'm not telling you that, but I'm telling you that you need to also start building assets that are going to be evergreen. Okay. You need to understand that. Okay. So people are still looking for information. People are still looking for a solution, and you are going to be offering them. Also, this is something that you need to avoid. And I'm pretty sure that you already get it because you know that this is a business. You need to avoid the shiny object syndrome. Okay. There are so many ways in which you can earn money online right now. There are so many opportunities. I know. But you need, again, to understand that this is a business. As a business, you will need to take some time, okay, in order to build it. And that's okay. You need to be okay with that. But if you are not building momentum because you're quitting too soon, you are not going to get the results that you're looking for. Okay. I'm not 100% sure what the results you're looking for because that's something personal. Chances are that you're looking to replace your regular 9 to 5. In my case, I was looking to replace two full time jobs because I had a huge debt. I suffered from a scam and I have two full time jobs, plus the fact that I had to pay the debts. So I was barely making it, although I had a really high, you know, good position on the companies that I was working with. I was not happy. I wasn't barely making it, and getting a third full time job was not an option. Okay, I was physically tired. I was mentally tired. I was looking for something else, and I knew and I understand that this is a long term game, and I knew and I understand that this is a business. So this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. Okay, if you get that, you're going to have a successful online business because you're going to have a really commitment with yourself, a really commitment with your success. Okay, guys, if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description so you can learn how you can actually start and grow your affiliate marketing business and have a real business. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.